another episode of the True Crafting Crew. So today we will be doing vinyl. Y'all know vinyl is one of my specialties. I am True and I am the owner of the House of Vinyl, which is a craft supply store in New Orleans, Louisiana. And today we will be working with two different types of vinyl. A regular opaque green vinyl that we sell in store, and also in purple opaque, and also a soft metallic gold. And I love soft metallics. So in order to get us started, we are going to first set our heat press, and it is heating up now. What I'll do in the meantime is we're gonna press it onto this black shirt, and this is for me. It's gonna be getting the crew back together because it's Mardi Gras season. Yay! We haven't had Mardi Gras in so long, guys. Oh my goodness, it's been like 2 years since 19 and it's 22. So, man, we got to get the crew back together and cut up in the streets for Mardi Gras. Yeah. So anyway, I will be doing a getting the crew back together shirt here. And I'm going to kill two birds with one stone here too, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our VLR. I'm going to put our vinyl onto the shirt, and I'm going to use some VLR to take it back off and change it up. So, we have the regular opaque green, we have regular opaque purple, and we have soft metallic gold. And like I said, everything is pre-cut. So I'm just gonna start weeding, and we'll probably fast forward through the weeding process after I get y'all a little bit. So this is how I use an X-Acto knife or scissors. Y'all know I'm a cutter, so I like scissors too. So, and I'm just gonna cut that didn't work. Nobody got time. So I'm just gonna cut when I weed from the outside in. I don't go in the inside of like this O and take the O out first. No, I always start from the outside and peel everything on the outside off first. And this is very easy to weed. I use our HOV. I use our HOV heat transfer vinyl. This is the opaque color like I stated before. And we just pull this off. And it's on a sticky carrier sheet, so that's why it's kind of a little bit of retention here. And once I get that outside layer all weeded off, I'll go in to take the inside off. I'll use our scrap collector. I just put this on my finger. Look, it's so cute. And then I'll use our weeding tool, our House of Vinyl weeding tool. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it say House of Vinyl too. Everything say House of Vinyl. Everything is branded. And I will take the small things out of the inside. And basically what I'm doing, I'm gonna try to get a little closer so y'all can see. Basically what I'm doing is I will pick this up and then I will insert it into, yeah, y'all see that? It's not. And these little bitty things, and it makes it so clean. Everybody know that I don't like to be dirty. So everything is about weeding clean. Weeding clean, keeping your work area nice and neat. So, and I'm just gonna finish doing this. And then I'll show y'all the little pieces, how I get those little bitty hard to get pieces out. What tool I use for that, because I have a fine tool that I use for those, and that's this, and it has a very fine point on it. I don't know if it focuses. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So, and I use this tool to get my itty bitty things out, like this right here. Now, my other weeding tool could get this, but not like this one. This one gets it better. And of course, I just use the same tool. You see, and I just poke that in there. Boom. And so this piece, it goes, part is at the top, part is at the bottom. So I will cut these apart. And it looks like I missed a piece on here, so Let me take this, use our weeding tool to get this last little piece out too. So we got those two. And now our soft metallic. And the reason that I'm cutting, so y'all can see our design, I'm gonna cut all of our excess off. And I'm gonna save this vinyl and put it in my scrap box, and we gonna use this another time because we don't waste vinyl. That's not what we do. Vinyl costs money, and we are trying to maximize our profit here. And in order to maximize our profit, we need to save our materials. Is that right? That is right. We need to save our materials. So I will cut all of this off. Y'all know that I've saved everything. Like even this little bitty piece right here. I may need this for a word someday. I'm not throwing that away. And I will weed this the exact same way. I will start from the end. And then I would take all of the outside off first. Man, I can't wait till Mardi Gras. It is gonna be epic. And then Mardi Gras happened around my birthday too, y'all. I can't wait. It's about to be my birthday and Mardi Gras at the same time. When I tell y'all, the weekend before Mardi Gras is my birthday. So I'm going to Zulu Ball, and then I'm going to Mardi Gras. So look, these are in two different parts. So I'm gonna cut this apart too. And I'm gonna use my weeding tool again to get all of these little pieces. And I'm using my scrap collector to prevent me from having little pieces all everywhere. That is so aggravating to have them little pieces of vinyl all over the place. That is, So that's weeded. Boom. And that's it. Y'all, this shirt is done. I do have this one last hat that I'm going to put on my shirt that I'm going to take off of my shirt. Put on my shirt to take off of my shirt just so that I can show y'all how to use our VLR. Because our shirt really don't have any purple in it. I'm just making this purple crown just like kind of to pretend as if I made a mistake. But I have definitely made mistakes in the past. So let me tell you what I did one time. One time, I was making some shirts for a friend of mine that says Drinking Crew, the birthday drinking crew. I don't know how I spelled drinking wrong on all of the shirts. I don't know. I spelled drinking wrong. I think I left out an R in drinking. And so I had to either I was going to redo her shirts that she brought to me. They were not my shirts, regular shirts. They were specialty shirts. Or I was going to take it off with the VLR. So I opted to take it off with the VLR, and it worked just great. So all of that's in our scrap collector, and that worked. So you can clean the scrap collector out. All you gotta do is open it up, take the stuff out, and throw it in the trash. It's very simple to do. Anyway, so for our shirts, this is how our shirt will look. I kind of like to lay my things out in advance just so I can see. The hat is going to go at the top. Boom. Yes, it's going to be cute, y'all. Getting the crew back together because it's Mardi Gras, little duck. So this is cute. And our shirt is done. Bam. Boom. All right. Okay, crew. So we're at our heat press. It's preset to 310 degrees for 10 seconds. And we're going to get to pressing. So to start, usually I use these trusty rulers. That's a bunch of them. They come in kids, adults, backs, fronts, all that. But I don't need them for this shirt because this shirt is going to start at the very top. So what I'll do is, first thing I'll put on is our crown. And I'll kind of like put that in the center. I'll put that in the center of our shirt. If y'all want to be technical, actually, I'm going to show y'all the right way to do this. The right way to do this is to take your shirt off, you fold it in half to find you a center line. That way, you know that you're starting your design in the middle of your shirt. And the way that I would do this, I would match my ends up at the bottom to the top. And I will also match my collar up at the top. You see how that matches here? And I'm gonna press this in half. Just so that I have a crease. So now we have a crease in the shirt. Y'all see that crease? We're gonna put our crown, or court jester crown, in the middle. And to find that center line, we'll fold this directly in half, top and bottom. So then that will match those center lines at the very top of our shirt. Leave just a little bit of space, but just at the top of the shirt, and we'll press that. And once that's done pressing, this is a warm peel, so you can just peel that right off and throw that in the trash. The next thing is getting the. We're gonna fold that in half. Words match up, know our center line. I'm telling you, we're gonna do this fast. This one gonna be done fast, y'all. And then, let's see. We're gonna press that down. And all of these are doing 10 seconds at 310 degrees. Pop that up, warm peel that off, boom. And this is on the shirt, so I know y'all can't see that well. Let me see if I can get y'all closer so y'all can see. Y'all see the shirt coming together? And then put the crew, same thing, fold it in half. If you want, you can fold all these in half in the beginning before you even get here to the press. I just didn't think about it. I always fold in half when I get to the press. We're gonna use a little bit of VLR in a second, but let me tell you something about VLR. You can't use VLR on, you cannot use VLR on soft metallic. Do not use VLR on soft metallic because it's a mess. So if you miss, you have to wait until it's cool to touch before you can peel soft metallic. And after this is cool, you should be able to pull this right off. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna show y'all. Look how shiny it looks. Ooh, look how shiny it looks. It's so pretty. I love soft metallic gold. I love all my soft metallics. Actually, I love all my vinyl, so don't mind me. Crew back together. Yes, let's get us back together. It is Mardi Gras time. It's my birthday time. It's all of that time. And then we're gonna press this down. Same 10 seconds. And so these pieces, I'm just gonna throw it away because they're trash. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a hot peel. So boom, our shirt is finished. Isn't it so pretty? Getting the crew back together, Mardi Gras. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to the True Crafting Crew. Our regular vinyl and our soft metallic. Like, share, subscribe. You can get any of our vinyl, any of the vinyl letter remover, any of the things that you've seen in this video at www.houseofvinylcrafts.com. Thank you guys. See y'all later. Thanks for tuning in, True Crew.